Hello children, welcome back to my talks. Okay, and we've already done law of dominance and two gene inheritance. Okay, one gene inheritance, two gene inheritance, and today we are going to do with sex determination. Okay, now all at once let me come to the topic. I hope you are enjoying the chapter. Okay, genetics is very important. You get quite many questions from here. Okay, so sex determination when I talk about, okay, as soon as we start with this chapter, okay, sex as it comes, okay, I told you that one pair of chromosomes are responsible. Okay, before this, okay, I would like to tell you that there are certain other organisms, okay, in our environment, okay, for which it is said that the temperature where they live, the temperature in which they reside decides the sex of the particular offspring which they give. But when we talk about human beings, that is not the case. It is the genes, the genetic composition decides the sex of the child. Okay, so I told you that one pair, it means two chromosomes are responsible. If you remember children, okay, I told you that we have 22 autosomes and one sex chromosome in the first lecture of mine dealing with heredity and evolution. Now here 22 autosomes, I have already talked about. All the characteristics of the body is controlled by those 22 autosome chromosomes. Okay, 22 pairs. Now only one pair of chromosome decides the sex of the child. Okay, now let me come to this. Hope it's very clear. Now, if a child is a male, okay, or let me say that for males, okay, you have X and Y chromosome as sex chromosomes. Sex chromosome, if it is found for males, okay, you have X and Y. But for females, okay, females possess XX chromosomes. So we have 22 chromosomes plus XX chromosomes, okay, and the males will have 22 chromosomes, which is common, 22 chromosomes and XY chromosomes. Got it? Now, up till here, I feel it is alright. These are the two sex chromosomes. So we can say 22 autosomes. If we talk about the female, the number of chromosomes, so 22 plus XX and 22 plus XY for males. Now let us do the crossing. Okay. Now children, in our society, you know very well that it is always the female who is held responsible for the sex of the child. Okay, whenever a child is born, like people who have 3 or 4 daughters and they want to have a male child, okay, and again when the lady gives birth, to the a female child, okay, then what happens? The in-laws, the family members, the society, they hold the lady responsible. Now today I will make it clear that actually who is responsible? Actually nobody is responsible. But अगर responsible ठहराने की बात ही है, then who is responsible? That you will do. Okay, so let's talk about, as I told you, this is male. So male has got X and Y chromosome. That is cross, okay, sexual reproduction, okay, and female has got XX chromosome. So again segregation, by this time आपको पता चल गया होगा, this is X and Y. This is segregation. It means two chromosomes, दोनों chromosomes एक साथ बच्चे में नहीं जाएगा. तो क्या है, जैसा हमने आपको पहले बताया था कि 2n number of chromosomes होते हैं हमारे पास, that 2n is 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs, 46 chromosomes. Okay, और gametes में कितना होता है? Gametes में केवल n होता है. मतलब n in sperms, okay, and n in egg. So finally when it comes together, when the zygote is formed, तो zygote हमारा 2n होता है. So this n is formed by the process of meiosis. This is by the process of meiosis. So meiosis takes place only once in our lifetime, that is during the formation of gametes. While throughout, if I get burnt, if I get hurt, whatever happens when the cell division takes place, it is by mitosis. Okay, so meiosis only takes place when the chromosome number has to be reduced during the gamete formation. ठीक है, तो ये segregation हुआ. पूरा 2n जाएगा मदर से और 2n जाएगा फादर से, the child will have 4n number of chromosomes. It means 23 नहीं 46 pairs हो जाएगा. So that chromosome number will not be maintained. Got it? तो segregation का वही important role है. So here the female will have X and X. Got it? तो ये XX segregate हो गया. Now again let us make a checkerboard. So here again we make a checkerboard. This is male. So male has got X and Y. Okay, and this is female. Female has got X and X. So this X will go with this X y. This x will go with this, and this x and y. Got it? So this one will be a female child. This will be XX. This will also be a female child. This will also be female. This will be male, and this will be male. Got it, children? So क्या हो जाएगा? How many chances? What is the chance of giving birth to male child? Okay, it is all 50% is to 50%, or you can say 2 is to 2. That is 1 is to 1. Got it? So it is 50% chances that a female child can be born, and 50% chances that a male child will be born. So this is the case. We cannot hold responsible. The lady is not responsible. Any child can be born. Now, children, when I talk about it is the male, don't you feel that the female, when we talk about female, even if the male child is born, the lady is giving X chromosome. See, female has got both the chromosomes. I'll show it to you with red ink. Female, okay, even when the lady, girl child is born, okay, she is giving X chromosome. And even when a boy is born, X comes from the female only. So who is responsible? It is the male who is responsible. The male's Y chromosome determines whether the child will be a boy or a girl, a son or a daughter. Got it? So not the female. Even if a son is born, the lady gives X chromosome. Even if the girl child is born, the lady gives X chromosome. So this is what is sex determination. It is the male's chromosome, Y chromosome, which determines the sex of the child. Got it? So I feel with this we complete the topic. Okay, what you have to do this year, and after that we have to complete evolution. That I will make the videos. I'll post it, but not now. You can go through this. Okay, children, I have already posted the videos, okay, of the deleted portions. Some of the portions are deleted, okay, due to this COVID-19 this year, 2020-21. Go through it. I'll put the link down. And I've also made a video on deleted topics for English Standard 10th. Okay, that also link I'll put it down. Do inform your friends, relatives, anybody who is studying in 10th, 11th and 12th, making videos for all three of you all, English and Bio. So do visit my, you can say, channel and see it. Okay. So like it, put your comments, what you feel, and if you have any doubts, you can always ask. Okay, and share it with your friends. Thank you.